Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Want perfectly crispy and juicy drumsticks without all the oil? The air fryer is your secret weapon. You can achieve that incredible crunch, much like deep frying, but with far less mess and guilt. This easy method makes preparing delicious, healthy weeknight meals incredibly simple, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Get ready to transform your chicken drumsticks into a family favorite. Before you even think about cooking, pat your drumsticks thoroughly dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that amazing crispy skin. Next, it is time to get creative with your favorite spices, coating them generously. A light drizzle of olive oil, perhaps a tablespoon, will help the seasoning adhere beautifully to the chicken, ensuring maximum flavor in every bite and preventing them from sticking. Place your seasoned drumsticks in a single layer in the air fryer basket, ensuring not to overcrowd it. Cook them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. Remember to flip them halfway through the cooking process for even browning. Always use a meat thermometer to ensure they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safe eating. They will be perfectly cooked. For the absolute best crispiness, never overcrowd your air fryer basket. Airflow is your friend. Make sure each drumstick has a little space around it so the hot air can circulate freely, cooking them evenly and getting that skin super crunchy. If you want an extra boost of crisp, consider finishing them off at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the last 5 minutes, watching carefully for that golden brown perfection. Once your drumsticks are perfectly cooked and beautifully crispy, resist the urge to dive in immediately. Allow them to rest for about 5 minutes after removing them from the air fryer. This crucial step locks in all those delicious, flavorful juices. Serve these incredible air fryer drumsticks with a crisp, fresh salad or some complimentary roasted vegetables for a truly satisfying and wholesome meal. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.